Hi guys, this is Pratap here, and today we will discuss about exploits on Telnet. We can do these things with the help of GNS also. Also, we can do with that the other lab, online lab that we have. So, with the help of that, we can do. I mean, I already made the video on that and shown you up, guys. Okay, so that is Eve NG, you know, that you have seen already. EVENG. Okay, so now this is that exploits on the telnet. Okay, so that we will do. And second thing is we are going to do that is like intercepting. Intercepting means, let's say if there is a client and this is, let's say, router. In between, if they are having any communication is happening, so somebody can there who can intercept, who can read your information. Okay, so that we are going to do the lab. So first we will be doing the Kali Linux and with Windows, and then we will be coming to the telnet. Okay, so let's do that. So this is that the Kali Linux, and I'll log in this one, and this is Windows 10. Now first we'll check that IP range of this Kali Linux and this Windows IP config. So 192.168.43.220, and we'll go here. We'll open the terminal. If config 192.168.43.221. So you can see here the Windows is having 220 and this is 221. This will have 221. So you will ping 192.168.43.220, 43.221. So both of them we are able to reach, and it's pinging. Okay, now once we'll be going to the Windows machine and we'll check ARP minus A. So you can see this is that gateway, right? This is the gateway 192.168.43.1. How, and this is the MAC of that. Let me prove that. If config okay, as ipconfig slash all. Now can you see this is that gateway, and this is the DHCP, and this is the DNS. Alright, now with the help of Kali Linux, we will make some changes. So this IP and MAC address will change. Okay, so that is that we are going to do now. So we'll make that one with the help of Kali. Alright, so with the help of Kali only we are going to do that. Okay, so we'll be going to that Kali here, and then follow me guys, this is very important. So first we'll be going to CD, and then you'll be typing proc, then you will be typing sys, then you'll be typing net means network, and then IPv4. So once you'll give enter and give ls, you can see this is the path where your IPv4 information is there. Now who is responsible for sending internet information to the router in this machine? Every machine somebody is there who take your information and send to the router. So over here also have somebody that is called IP Let me write. So that particular body is called IP forwarder. IP forward. So he is the guy who is responsible to do routing in the Windows machine or Linux machine or everywhere. Oh, okay, we have got it here. Can you see it? IP forward. So it is here. So right click on that and we copy it. We have done it. So once we'll go inside that IP forward table, there will be having value that is by default will be 0. So default for value of that IP forward, that is 0. That means once it is 0 means it's not doing any routing. Once you made this one 1, immediately it start doing routing. So if you are sending some packet, let's say Windows is sending or surfing something, so immediately that information also will be coming to the Kali Linux. Are you getting me? So that is the intercept. Now once you are doing intercepting, so we can find the information. Okay, we will come to that how we will be doing. Now you see it here. We will give the command called nano. Sorry. So you'll be going here and type nano, and then you just this one we have copied, right? IP forward. So you just paste that, right? Now you give enter. Nano IP forward. Nano IP forward. Can you see that? As I told you, by default that value will be 0. So once it is 0, that means it it won't be doing routing. Once you'll make it 1, and then it will be doing routing. So what you will do, you will write out. Now you will type control O. Now you want to uh, give enter, and then X. Now we will go there and check whether it is saved or not. So nano, then IP forward. You see, it's saved there. Now we just come out from there. That means it can do routing now. Right? So what we will do now, we will be going to when still that Windows it will be remain same. So I hope you have got the steps. So should I write the steps? Okay, I will write once I will finish this one. So in between I will come out from there, cd dot dot cd dot dot cd dot dot cd dot dot. So yeah, out of that. Okay, now you see we will be going to Kali. When still you are in the Kali, there is a one tool who actually responsible for doing intercept. So that tool is called ETT ERCAP, Ethercap, and then we will be giving G. So you can see the Ethercap is opened. So primary interface is this. Bridge snipping I will on. Bridge interface you can select Ethernet. Okay, no problem. Now let me do the full screen so you can see properly. So this is that Ethercap. I mean, there is a one tool which is very powerful. Now you can see this is your Ethercap tool. Now if you go here, you want to check offensive, promiscuous, set net mask, that you can do from here. Okay. Now if you go here, now you see waist fingerprinting. You'll go here and start. Okay. Now once you'll be going here, Now you will be able to see view. If you click view, you can see all the statistic resolve IP, which IP resolving to what. Now you will be going to logging. Now log user message, you will check this one. Okay, log user message. So we'll be from here we'll be finding the log messages, and then we will be working on it. So if you type log and give enter, so log message it will check. Okay, so this is the three dot tab. From here only you will be finding. You want to select the target, uh, like current targets, select target. If you go here select target, you can give that MAC. So MAC address you can copy from there. You can give that IP address. IP I can give that Windows machine 192.168 and 43 dot 43 dot IP config. Yeah, it's a 43.220. So we will be going to Kali 43.220. So once we'll click OK, now it will be start finding information. So we are inside the Ethercap now. Okay, now we'll be going to the Windows machine, and now you can give that command. Let's say ipconfig. So IP is coming, the same IP, but the changes you can see now. ARP minus A. You see, I told you you will be finding the same IP address, but you see MAC address has been changed. So MAC address is the Kali Kali, MAC now. Okay, so this is the way you can intercept the network. Now this Kali is able to do the routing. Alright, so Kali is able to do routing. So this is the way you can find out the information. So what we have done, we have done with the Ethercap. So you want to see once again. Ethercap and then G. Mm. Ethercap. Hold on, guys. And capital G. So this is your Ethercap. Now you go here and you can select the target. Once you click on this, and then the process will start. Alright, now you want to see the menu, you can check it. R poisoning, you want to do the R poisoning, you want to snip the remote connection. Okay, now it will sniff the remote connection information. Alright guys, so now if you want to click on host list, you see all host list, you have found it here, all the host. Now you want to add target host, you click on that target host. IPv6 information also is showing up here. Now you can see a random 5 hosts added to the host list. Now this is snipping started. So if anything you are doing, let's say in Windows you are running some command, those information, let's say arp minus a, So that information also will be captured here. See, DHCP request, some of the machine was trying to get it. Have you seen it? Immediately it will be showing up. Suppose I'm browsing something on this Windows. Let's say I'm browsing something in this Windows machine. Suppose you just open here. Kali.org, I have opened it, right? Now that's the information it will be prompting here. So that information will be prompting here. Let's say 220 will make a target. Now see, we added the target. Have you seen it? Now we will go here. You browse anything. Let's say this all you are browsing. Now you go to the Kali. Now you can scan, add target, and then you scan. So enter information is going to showing you up here. Let's say port stealing. I want to sniff the port connection and everything. That also I can check it from here. It's really amazing. So you can work on it. It's just amazing. Now destination. Now it continuously it will be keep sending. Now you want to stop this, you can stop from here, and then if you go here, you want click host, uh, scan for host, you can find it. Now if you go here, you go here view, and you can find the profiles. Now see which of the location it is connected, it is which country, my website, and all that information I was searching. Every single information is going to show you up here. Can you imagine? See, Kali Linux. I opened one Mozilla. Can you remember? See, Mozilla it is showing. In Mozilla, inside the Mozilla, I have opened the Kali Linux, isn't it? So that Kali Linux also is going to show up there. Now, what all application, everything is running. What is the location? Every single thing is going to show up here, followed by the IP address. So I'm not doing anything in Kali. So any of the machine anywhere, let's say I will go here and I will try to open Facebook. I will open Facebook. Okay, I'll just open it, man. I'll not log in. I just open that Facebook. Okay, so you go here and you will be finding that list that some of the user opened that Facebook. You will be able to find it here. You see Facebook. Have you seen it? United States. So like that, all that information you can find it out from there. So that's the you know very interesting thing in here. Okay, now next we'll be coming up to the telnet, how to bypass in all. So that I'll be doing in that next video. So you just have a look. You can practice this. It's just amazing one. Thank you guys.